Hello. Today I'm trying something different with the power device mic that was a little too sensitive. I tried tucking it into the wind muff of the Zoom, and I'm gonna chest mount it and see how that works out. And we're at Stony Creek, my wife's not so favorite trail where she hates climbing. If you guys watch that video, you know what I'm talking about. All right. Hopefully with the bigger wind muff, super sensitive editage mic won't be overwhelmed by the wind, because I do like the sound quality of the editage mic. It sucks in the wind. All right, enough of the wind talk. Let's get to it. You all warmed up, love?
Yeah.
Boy, it is super late in the afternoon. I think it's already like 6. The sun's gonna be completely set in an hour. Pedal, baby, pedal. It's not that bad. When I first got the Fox Pro frame helmet, it felt a little tight, but now that I've broken it in, it feels perfect. You look so exhausted already. You want to go first?
I'm gonna slow you down.
No, that's what you say every single time. Oh, maybe I should have worn a long sleeve. It's a lot cooler than I thought it was gonna be.
Is that a brief?
No, it's not a brief. Just a towel, love. Really?
Yeah.
You're tired? We didn't even do anything yet.
Hold on!
I'm holding on.
Yeah, but I can hear you! Okay, let's go.
You're scared of the trees? Well, the mountain biking isn't for you then, is it? Hey, where are you going, love? Having fun? Here, there's a path right here. What's wrong, love?
You have to be on the way.
What's that?
The trees.
Love, mountain biking involves a lot of trees being in the way.
I know, eating them.
She's worried about trees.
Because you didn't eat a tree in your life.
Oh my God, are you kidding me? I cut so many trees and end up freaking flying ahead of my bike.
Trees are my enemy.
Punching so many trees.
Nope, I have to drink water.
Yeah, let's drink some water. Hi there. We're one of those Costco weirdos, part of the Costco cult. Kirkland water. We just put it directly on our bike.
Go, baby. There's a pile of logs in there.
There's a what one?
Pile of logs.
Yeah, well, it is a forest. Jump it! I was wondering if you can make that turn without hitting the brake.
Yeah, because you're behind them, so it's better than
Just keep trying, you know, keep trying to lean the bike. You'll get it.
Nag-lock ng gaya ni Virgo. I was trying to pedal, but then my
Yeah.
look ng gaya.
Just go and I'll follow. Don't go too slow. And then send it off of there.
Here?
Yeah.
Let it drop, no?
I mean, you can. You could definitely drop that if you really wanted to, love. Hello. Oh, Halloween's coming. Pumpkins everywhere. Yeah, full face helmets and climbs, they go very well together. All right, just send it.
Okay, baby.
Hey there.
Sorry! I don't know what happened there, but I got nagkangkadita nag-nosedive.
Yeah?
I hit my motherfucking brake.
Oh, you hit your brakes on a bad spot, huh?
Accidentic na. When napigsaan, nagpigsa ti brake na.
Yeah?
Yes, sino do?
Well, they're brand new brakes. I have brand new brake pads and they're metal.
Ano gamin niya nga? Bag.
Yeah.
Insendit ko hanggang dito, ha?
Yeah?
Then I tried to slow down.
Uh-huh.
Kat nagpigsa gam si brake na talaga bag. So you own ako na?
Yeah.
Wow.
You don't want to hit your brake there actually much at all.
Han nga rin takwa, napaspas masyado.
Yeah? Oh, you hit your brakes on a bad spot, huh?